Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find which applications are using the most battery on your Android phone. So to do this, swipe on down from the top and then go to Settings. Now let's locate battery. My battery's at 67%, and we can go to battery usage, view usage from the full charge or the last full charge. And we can see my mobile network is using the most at 73%, and this is probably because I don't have a SIM card in my phone and it's just constantly trying to look for a network or something like that. Then Call of Duty Warzone screen is only 18%. So this can kind of give us an idea of what is using the most battery. And then we can click on the application and we can go to manage battery usage. And we can go to something like restricted. Restrict battery usage while in background. App may not work as expected. Unrestricted, allow battery usage in background without restrictions. Okay, so you can decide if you want to do that. Then you can back out and you can turn on the battery saver right here. And then the adaptive battery as well. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.